After almost 4 decades in the real estate business, I've seen just about every market cycle, every shift, and every trend. My name is Robert Santangelo, and here's what I know. Buyers and sellers deserve more than cookie-cutter advice. What sets me apart isn't just years in the business, it's the range of experience I have. I've navigated the lending industry, guided multiple investors across multiple states, closed residential sales, mentored agents, and managed real estate firms across California and Idaho. That's a perspective few agents can match. Here's my framework. Market cycles always create opportunities. Negotiation isn't noise, it's leverage. Technology should guide your decisions, not replace judgment. And relationships outlast transactions. Recently, I had clients competing against multiple cash offers. Instead of just overpaying, we structured clean terms and created certainty for the seller. They won the deal without stretching beyond their comfort zone. That's the kind of strategy that comes with experience. At the end of the day, real estate isn't just about property. It's about people making some of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. My business is built on trust and long-standing relationships. And I'm here for the long run, not just the sale. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, let's connect. When the time is right, I'll put together the perfect playbook to guide your next move.